if I could find my tapered reamer, I'd have my whole kit ready. But I'll tell you what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna replace that chrome bridge and saddles with this name brand replacement. Gonna put a metal black pickup ring here and get rid of this clear guard. Got this already pre-wired with Real Born's pots. Go black hardware there. Gonna put 1/4 pounder in the bridge, 1/4 pounder single in the neck, and some Wilkinson Easy Lock. I love these. They'll go there. And the last thing are some string trees, rollers for those. Then the Goblin shall be born.